flight crew, please prepare for departure. We have now closed the boarding door. Prior to any aircraft movement, all customers must be seated with seatbelts fastened. Please make sure your seat back is upright, tray table is stowed, and all carry-on items are put away. Laptops and devices of similar size should be placed underneath the seat in front of you for easy access after takeoff. Additionally, all devices must be unplugged from empty power outlets at this time. We're here to make sure you have a safe and comfortable flight. Please report any inappropriate or unwelcome behavior to an in-flight crew member. We appreciate your understanding and cooperation during this time. Thank you. Once again, we'd like to welcome you aboard JetBlue Flight 2531 with service to Los Angeles on our plane named Bluesville. My name is Jessica, and it's my pleasure to be flying with Robin here up front, with Tony in the middle of the cabin and Mikey in the back of the cabin. Our captain today is Scott Sandberg. He's assisted by First Officer Arnold Dale. Captain Sandberg has advised us today's flying time to Los Angeles will be approximately 1 hour and 26 minutes. Your safety is our top priority, so we do appreciate a few moments of your attention while we demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft. You can follow along with the safety information card in your seat back pocket. Federal aviation regulations require your compliance with all crew member instructions, lighted information, signs, and posted placards. To fasten your seatbelt, insert the flat metal end into the buckle and pull on the strap to tighten. To release, lift the top flap of the buckle. Please keep your seatbelt fastened low and tight across your lap, even when the seatbelt sign is off, and have your seatbelt visible to the crew at all times. Your life vest is in a pouch under your seat. If instructed by the crew, retrieve the vest by pulling the tab, tear open the pouch, remove the vest, and pull it over your head. Wrap the strap around your waist, secure the buckle, and pull the strap to tighten. As you exit the aircraft, inflate the vest by pulling down firmly on the red tabs or blowing into the tubes on both sides. A locator light on the shoulder will turn on automatic clean water. Never inflate your vest inside the aircraft. This Airbus A320 has 8 emergency exits, 2 doors in the front, 4 window exits over the wings, and 2 doors in the back. Each door is equipped with an evacuation slide that can be detached from the aircraft and used as raft. An additional raft is located in the forward storage unit. All exits are clearly marked with a sign overhead. If necessary, floor-level lighting will illuminate the aisle to help you find the exit. In the event of an emergency, leave all personal belongings and proceed to the nearest exit. Please take a moment now to locate your closest exit, and remember, it might be behind you. If there is a change in cabin pressure, 4 oxygen masks will drop from overhead. Firmly pull a mask toward you to start the flow of oxygen. Remove your face covering, place the oxygen mask over your nose and mouth, pull the elastic band around your head, and tighten using the straps on both sides. Even though the bag may not inflate, oxygen will be flowing. Be sure to put your mask on first before helping others. We'll let you know when it's no longer needed. We will be passing through the cabin to make sure we are ready for departure. You can help us by making sure your seatbelt is fastened, seat back is upright, tray table is stowed, and all carrying items are put away. If you have any questions about the safety features of this aircraft, please don't hesitate to ask. Smoking, including the use of electronic cigarettes or vaporizers, is never allowed on any JetBlue flight. Tampering with, disabling, or destroying smoke detectors in aircraft restrooms is a federal offense and could result in a fine. This aircraft has 3 restrooms, one in the front of the cabin, 2 in the back. Infant changing tables can be found in the forward restroom and in one of the restrooms in the back. To avoid crowding in the aisle, please wait at your seat until a restroom is available. We're proud to let you know that this flight is carbon neutral, and we're offsetting the CO2 from the fuel used for all our domestic flights to reduce the impact on our climate. All of our planes are equipped with free high-speed Wi-Fi. If you have a Wi-Fi enabled device, just connect to the FlyFi network, then be sure to type www.flyfi.com into your browser window and follow the prompts to log in. Making calls of any type while in flight is prohibited, including the use of VoIP, video conferencing services, and Wi-Fi calling. Thanks to our partnership with Amazon, once you're connected, you can sign into your Amazon Prime account or start a free trial to stream movies, TV shows, and music, and earn TrueBlue points when you shop as a TrueBlue member while in flight. You can also find entertainment listings and other info about today's flight on the FlyFi Hub or on the JetBlue app. We do have a digital seatback card that has a complete listing of all of our onboard offerings on our FlyFi Hub, as well as the seatback screen in front of you. Has a complete listing and pricing of our buy on board products, as well as all of our complimentary snacks and beverages. Please note our FlyFi signal will not be available outside of our coverage area. However, on-demand content will still be available on the seatback screen and on the FlyFi Hub at www.flyfi.com. We'll be adjusting the main cabin lights for departure. If you need it, there's a reading light above your seat. Thank you for your attention. We hope you enjoy the JetBlue experience. well as freshly brewed Dunkin' coffee. Your snack choices today will be cookies, popcorn or popcorn chips, cinnamon oat seed bar, and Cheez-Its. Beer and wine can be purchased with any major debit or credit card, and you can enjoy 50% off when you use the JetBlue card. Please note you are not permitted to consume any alcohol you may have brought on board with you today. Robin and Tony will first be coming through the cabin with a selection of eat-up boxes as well as earbuds for purchase. We only accept major debit or credit cards on board. If there's anything we can do to make your flight more comfortable, don't hesitate to ask. We invite you now to sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight.